In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check contrast in Figma. Ensuring strong color contrast is essential for readability and accessibility. And Figma now makes this process quick with a built-in checker that references WCAG standards. Whether you are designing interfaces, marketing pages, or presentations, this will help you confirm that your text and icons remain legible across backgrounds. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can work directly on the elements you want to evaluate. Click to select any text layer or a graphic layer, like an icon or shape. With that layer selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar and open the color picker by clicking the fill or stroke swatch. This is where you'll access the contrast tools and review how your chosen color performs against its background. Inside the color modal, locate the accessibility control at the bottom. It appears as a small half-filled circle labeled for checking contrast. Click it to open the accessibility view. Figma will automatically identify the background color behind your selected layer and display the contrast ratio. You'll see a clear readout showing whether your current color passes AA, which is 4.5 to 1 for normal body text, or AAA, which is a stricter 7 to 1. These labels help you quickly decide if your design meets common accessibility targets. If the background shown seems unexpected, it can be a sign that your element sits over multiple colors, gradients, or effects. So take a moment to confirm what's actually behind the layer. If your color doesn't meet the desired level, use Autofix right in that panel. Click the AA or AAA indicator, and Figma will automatically adjust your selected color to the nearest compliant value. This is especially helpful when you need a fast, reliable correction without manually nudging sliders. Keep in mind that Autofix may slightly shift hue or brightness. So if you are working within strict brand guidelines, review the updated color before committing. You can always undo if you want to compare options, and it's a good habit to recheck the contrast after any change to backgrounds, overlays, or effects. That's the workflow. Thanks for watching.